of body, boiled chicken. Internal structures of boiled chicken is made up of several body. Arteries to supply oxygen, respiratory system, lungs and air sacs for breathing, reproductive system, males have testes, females have control body activity. Right side column for the chicken, left side column for the chicken. Very short because each part is specially on reproduction. It can be divided into both main stages. Egg stage. The life of boiled begins inside the egg. Fertilized egg activity. Individuals where the right temperature and humidity are maintained. Each system newly add 6 hours signals of the power with yellow numbers. During the stage, they require one space of weight and in daily order to survive. Proper the stage is marked by rapid muscle growth, especially in the brain. Reason growth of the inside is important to manage ability development. Market stage. Boiled chickens are and are ready for assault. Uses and importance of boiled chicken. Boiled chickens are among the most important cold records in the world because of their high nutrition and the main meat of boiled chicken is also from meat which is in protein, fat and acid. It is also got healthy and providing protein and source of protein that is healthy, affordable and widely consumed.
Today our topic is chicken boiler. An introduction. Boiler chicken refers to a special type of chicken that is raised regularly for meat production. Unlike local and indigenous chickens, boiler are fast-growing birds that reach market weight within a short period of time, usually 6 to 8 weeks. They are selectively bred and scientifically managed to provide soft, tender, and nutritious meat, making them one of the most important sources of animal protein for human beings. International anatomy of boiler chicken. The international anatomy of a boiler chicken is made of several important organ systems that work together for growth, reproduction, and survival. Brain controls the nervous system, body movements, and coordination. Beak and mouth used for picking and swallowing food. Preventative instruments. The first part of the instruments digestive enzymes mixed with food. Liver, a large organ that produces storage nutrients and helps in metabolism. Lungs, responsible for respiration of oxygen supply. It decides, digest and absorb nutrients from the food. External anatomy of chicken. The external anatomy of chickens refers to all visible body parts that can be seen from outside. Knowing these parts is important in defining health, growth, and breed characteristics. Main external parts of a chicken head contains the eyes, beak, gum, and weightless break used for picking food and drinking water. The red fishy structure on top of the head helps in regulating body temperature. Weightless. The two fleshy lobes hanging below the beak also help in the heat regulation and provide good vision, important for decaying food and production. Nutrients of boiler chicken. Proper nutrition is the most important factor for the rapid growth and good health of boiler chicken. Science boiler are raised mainly for meat production within a short period 6 to 8 weeks. They require a balanced diet that supplies energy, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water in the right proportion. Growth and development of chicken. The growth and development of chicken is a continuous process that starts from the moment it hatches from the egg. Egg hatching chicks are covered with soft down feathers and depend on the pup sacs nutrients during the first 24 to 48 hours during the early chick stage. Which lasts from about 1 to 6 weeks. They experience rapid growth of the body and muscles requiring high protein stead feed to support the.
I'm from class 9. I'm here to present about the classification of living things about the rabbits.
Where is your animal?
Animal. So fast animal.
Show animal.
So animal. Already. Cats in it here.
Yes.
Most of the dinosaurs are small gentle mammals that are long but few all over the world. They belong to the family Leportia and known for their long ears of fur and powerful legs. Rabbits are found in many parts of the world from grasslands to forests and are often treated pets or raised for their meat and for physical characteristics. Rabbits have distinctly long ears that have practiced predators. Their large eyes give them a wide field of vision, and their strong legs allow them to come great distances.
Roll number 20, class 9.
Of boiler chicken includes visible body parts that are essential for movement, protection, and sensory functions. Head contains the beak, eyes, comb, wattles, and earlobes. Neck supports the head and allows flexible movement. Feathers provide insulation, protection, and aid in body temperature regulation. Wings used for balance. Broiler have limited flight capability. Legs and feet support body weight and assist in walking. Include shanks, toes, and claws. Tail helps in balance and communication. The internal anatomy. The internal anatomy of a boiler chicken consists of several organ systems that ensure growth and survival. The digestive system. Digestive system includes the crop for storing body for chemical digestion, the gizzard for grinding, the intestine for absorption, and associated organs like liver and pancreas. The respiratory system has lungs and 9 air sacs that provide continuous supply of oxygen, while the circulatory system is made up of 4-chambered heart and blood vessels that transport nutrition and oxygen. The nervous system composed of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves control movement and body function. Nutritional requirement of boiler chicken. 1. Protein. Protein is the building block of the body. It helps boiler chicken grow muscles, repair tissues, and develop vigor. 2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for boilers. Just like fuel for amazing, carbohydrates give energy for movement, digestion, and growth. Fats. Fats provide concentrated energy and help in absorbing vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Common sources are vegetable oils and animal parts. 4. Vitamins. Vitamins are required in small amount but are very important for life. Without vitamins, chicken may suffer from disease and poor growth. 5. Minerals. Minerals are calcium and phosphorus makes bones strong, while sodium, potassium, and chlorine keep the body balanced. 6. Water. Water is the most common nutrient, even more than the feed. It helps in digestion, body temperature control, and carrying nutrients to every cell. Growth and development. Broiler chicken are known for their fast growth and ability to reach the market weight within 5 to 7 weeks, making them highly efficient for meat production. Their development can be divided into 3 main stages, like starter phase, where chicks grow, rapidly develop and muscles organ and require high protein food. Warmth and early vaccinations to support their immune system. The grower phase, during which weight gain continues at the steady pace, skeletal and muscular system strength. And feed is just to provide moderate protein with higher energy to sustain growth.
Classifications of living organisms about boiler chicken. Introduction. The boiler chicken is a different type of poultry bird that has been developed mainly for meat production. Unlike native breeds, boilers have selectively bred to grow very fast, gaining market weight within 6 to 8 weeks. Because of this rapid growth and efficiency, boiler farming has become one of the most important parts of modern agriculture. Boiler chickens are easily recognized by their body, soft skin and light colored feathers. They are not exotics, but mainly for their tender meat, rich in protein, low in fat and easy to digest. This chicken meat is just choice compared to many